Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing St. James Place. And this is Oliver Street right here, guys. Oliver Street. Now if you notice, when I started Oliver, I think I started back there. So what I'll do is this, because it's only a very small street. So I started Oliver Street from back there when, as you can see, it ends right there. That was my bad. So I'm gonna do it right here because again, it's just this small portion. All this is Oliver Street before going into the next block. Now, before we leave on a journey, let me show you where I am. Today's street is St. James Place. Now let me show you where I am. Let me show you where I am right now. And that's Park Row, Oliver Street. And down there, that's I think that's Confucius. And we start the journey now. Now again, guys, this street is only about 3 blocks long, so it's not that long. It's only 3 blocks long. So I'm gonna go slowly, and I'm gonna show you. So along with this street place, that's St. James Street, which I'm gonna show you in a few minutes. So like I mentioned in some of my other videos, there are some streets and places, what they call the last name, street and places, where they have the first name, and they use either, like, let's say this one, St. James Place and St. James Street. So now, check it out. So, coming up at St. James Place, James Bond Street. But okay, so now you see, for some reason, guys, see, this is supposed to be James Street, guys. Back there, at one point, according to this, you see that says St. James Place and James Bond Street. Now, this used to be Bond Street, James Bond Street, but as you can see, now it's only a parking lot for this building here. So technically, this is a street still, but it's no longer a regular street. It's like a parking street now. And the other side, that side is called St. James Street. So check this out. St. James Place, which is from down there, all the way down there, 3 blocks away. And that street back there is St. James Street. And this one is James Bond Street. But again, it's no longer, this used to be a regular street. But as you can see again, now it's a parking lot for this building here. So you can see that not all streets are the same. St. James Street, which is down here this way, and on the opposite side is St. James Street. Just so you can see, guys, how you know. And this is not on Google, guys. I just found that out right now. This is not on Google, guys. That's why I find it so, in the words of the late Spock, rest in peace, fascinating. When I do these streets, I find things that are like, wow, oh, I didn't know that, you know, stuff like that. And like I said, this only runs about 3 blocks, guys. And across the street we have a funeral home. Ansu Funeral Home. It's a Chinese funeral home, yeah. See? Ansu Funeral Home. Coming up at St. James Place, Madison Street. Heading south. Now this one's heading south, guys. The block that we just passed is long, guys. It's almost like 2 blocks long. And you got Madison Street going towards that way. So there's one police plaza back there. And again, I already did the park right here, guys. That one is probably in the Madison Street video. We just still have to upload. We just still have to calibrate it with Madison Avenue, which I still haven't done yet, guys. So as soon as I'm done Madison Avenue, which is a long one, just like First, Second, and Third Avenue. Once I upload them both, Madison Avenue and Madison Street. That's why you haven't seen Madison yet, guys, because I'm still in my storage, but I still need to do Madison Avenue so it can both go up at the same time. Just like I did with East Broadway and West Broadway. And their big brother, the third one, which is Broadway, no regular Broadway, the big one. Check this out, guys. And then here, being spring, check out the flowers in bloom, guys. Check out the flowers in bloom. Now, if you already watch Pearl Street, which ends here, that means that this is where St. James Place ends right now. Like I said again, for those who have seen Pearl Street, which is that one right there, and then goes through here, and then goes down there again, that's Pearl Street. But here, this is where this is where St. James Place ends. So we're gonna go across the street, and I'm gonna show you. And again, back there's One Police Plaza, my other flag. Coming up at St. James Place, Pearl Street. See, you see that, guys? Pearl Street. That was the one that I already did. For those of you who have seen it. Now we're gonna go here to the left and go across the street. Check that out, guys. Super fresh Superman. Now we head back up again, guys. Again, guys, it's the equivalent of 3 blocks. St. James Place. The equivalent of 3 blocks. And again, I took the same route. This is Pearl Street, guys. This is Pearl Jam Street here. This is still Pearl Street here. Pearl Jam Street still right here right now. But see, when we go back there, now it goes back there. And now this becomes legitimately St. James Place. 2 blocks up ahead now. And we are in NYCHA. Welcome to Governor Alfred E. Smith. NYCHA houses, NYCHA. Convenience stationery. So back there was Super Fresh Supermarket. I'm sorry, Super Fresh Superman, and here we have the Met Fresh Supermarket Superman. One last time before we leave this section. NYCHA, welcome to Governor Alfred E. Smith, NYCHA houses, NYCHA. Coming up at St. James Place, Madison Street, heading north. And that is Madison back there, guys. Straight down, going to the east side. And this is a Chinese funeral home. Ansu Funeral Home. Yeah. That's a small gallery, art gallery. Okay. I'm gonna show you right now again, guys. Now, coming up at St. James Place, St. James Street, also known as Ancient Order of Harbanians. I don't know what that is, but okay. So you see, so you have St. James Place, and James Street, which is this one. Actually, I just noticed it only says James Street, not St. James, but it's the same name. St. James Place and James Street, which is this one right here. It's only one block long. And you have a Catholic metal church back there, guys. So like I said, it's only one. Now, if you notice on the opposite side, instead of being James Street, that's James Bond Street, like the one I told you before. Used to be a regular street, but now it's just a regular parking. And it's called James Bond Street. Again, just like Mr. Spock would say, fascinating. And you know what I'm gonna do? Since I did the all over street, I didn't do the other part. I'm gonna do it with this one right now, just to include it in it. St. James Triangle. And that, guys, is an old cemetery. If I'm not mistaken, this cemetery is specifically only for World War I veterans, if I'm not mistaken. I saw this on YouTube one time, but yeah. Actually, you know what? The first cemetery of the Spanish and Portuguese synagogue, Sheriff Israel, in the city of New York, 1656. Dude, this is really old, man. 1656, 1833. That's about 400 years old, man. That is really old, man. So we keep going, and now, so you know what I'm gonna do, guys, just to finish the all over street, the one that I finished in the original video. So we're gonna take all over street up ahead, and we're gonna go around it and finish the video right there, guys. I'm gonna mix it with this one anyway, with St. James Place. You see, I told you, man, you think you know a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna do an extended all over street in this one at the St. James Place. So coming up at all over street, and also called known as Mariners Temple Lane.
We might have some extra though, so you don't need it.
Yeah. So now we're coming. This is all over street, guys. Still. See, I didn't do this one because I thought it was back there that I started, but it still continues here. And that small stretch out there, that's also all over street. So we're gonna finish the whole thing right here. We're gonna cross and include all over street with St. James Place. 2-in-1. How's that? See? All over street. And this is Park Skid Row. And now we're gonna go around and finish the video where we started from. At ground zero, back there in the corner. Oh, my other flag. And guys, this is where we finish the video. Thanks for watching. You know what to do, the rest. And I will see you all somewhere in time. Bye.